Hi there, it's Drive-By DIY here. So my Zafira B. This is a typical repair that most people probably have to do somewhere, or they just live with it. It's these handles on the third row seat. Is that usually when you don't know what you're doing, you can try to pull the seat down or pull it out, which is normally stuck into here, and you have to push the seat forward. This thing here is what you pull the seat, breaks. If you haven't done, you end up tugging at it and tugging at it, before you know it, you've broken it. But before you repair the whole handle, take the whole thing out, I've been online, I've been able to get some a bit of a repair kit for it, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So what I've got, this is what I've ordered online from GM, genuine part. It comes with 2 clips, one for each side, one that side and one that side, and I think you just push them in. So hopefully that's all you have to do, and I've got a handle back. So there's my bit, and I think you just put it in, and I think it just you have to try and force it in the best way you can. So I think we have to get some sort of tool to do it. So the idea is you push that in first, and then this is a locking pin, and you push that in, and that keeps it locked. So that should be enough. Well, that's working now, so that should be enough. Obviously you've got other things here as well. Fortunately for this, if you're going to break it, it doesn't come with a spring or anything, because if you break that, you're going to need a new handle. But if you pull it out, these normally come out. I think the idea is that these come out and they fly off somewhere. I couldn't find it, or they break or whatever, but it saves the clips inside, so I think they know they've got an issue with it. But that's how you refit that anyway. So hopefully, if you pull your handle off, you know what to do to refit it. So that one's back on, and I'm quite happy with that. So hopefully this helps you. Like I say, if you really damage it, you're probably going to need a new complete new handle system. But if you pull it out, these are the things you're probably going to have to try and find, because normally they either break or they fly off somewhere and you can't find them. So hopefully this will help you. Thanks for watching.